If you are watching this from YouTube for the first time, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video of Email Marketing for Beginners 2021, in this particular episode, I'm going to be going over how to properly format your emails so that they can appear more professional to your subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So email marketing is a very powerful thing that you can use to market whatever it is that you're promoting right now. However, if you're sending out emails, but you're not doing it in the way that looks professional, it can hurt your overall open rates and it can make your subscribers feel like you're just a rookie or amateur starting out. So it's very important that you appear as professional as possible in the eyes of the subscribers that are opening your emails. So what I'm going to be doing here in this tutorial is showing you a tool that you can use to properly format your emails in just a matter of seconds. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen over here. This will just take a moment. Boom. Okay, now let's go log in to my autoresponder, Aweber. Login. Open up another tab. Now let's go back to here. Let's go to drafts. And let's just pull out an email just for an example. So let's see, what email can we actually use? Okay. Okay, let's go for this one. So let's say you want to format this email. So you finished writing out your email that you're going to be sending out to your subscribers, but let's say that you want to actually go ahead and format this properly. So what you can do is you can highlight all of this text right over here, copy, and then what you're going to go ahead and open up is this tool called Email Formatting Tool. It's called Format It. Now, just to give credit where credit is due, I learned this from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich. So this is a very useful tool to use when it comes to properly formatting your emails the correct way so that it looks more professional and more polished. So this is what is cool about using this format tool is you can go ahead, click on this white box right here, paste in your text, and then all you do is you just hit submit, leave everything else the way it is, hit submit, and then voila, you have your emails formatted. So all you have to do is you click this, it highlights the whole text for you. You just copy, and then you go back over here, and then you go to your message, and then you paste in the correct formatted email. Now, I'll show you another email that you can actually format just because I feel like this one wasn't such a good example because I noticed like this one didn't format quite properly. So let's go ahead and format a better email. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go pick out another email to actually format. Okay, this one. So for a while, I wasn't actually formatting my emails properly, but this is actually very useful for you as a marketer because it's important that you want to appear in the eyes of your subscriber as professional as possible, and you don't want to give them the impression that you're a rookie or an amateur just doing email marketing. So we're going to go ahead and copy this whole text. I'm going to paste it in right on this box. And then let's hit submit. Boom. All right. Check how clean and formatted that email is. Okay, so this is a great example. So let's go ahead, copy this. let's say you want to start a new draft. So I'll actually just start an existing one right over here. So let's copy just an email right here. And then all you do is just you highlight this whole text and then you just paste in your new email right over here. But as you can see, this is an email that I already formatted using this tool that you saw just a moment ago right over here. And it's going to make things a lot easier so that you don't have to guess like, oh, do I have to format it this way or am I formatting it right? And this is a very useful tool that you can use for your marketing. So let me go ahead and stop sharing screen and come back to the screen right over here. Okay, so I trust that helps you with how to format your emails properly so that they look more professional and polished. And if you're wondering, what can you use to start marketing a business right now using email marketing, this is what I would like you to do. Either to the right of this video or down below in the comments, comment the words, I'm interested, and I'll be sure to inbox you privately on Messenger with all the details if you're watching this from the Facebook Live. If you're watching this from YouTube, this is what I would like you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for building a remote business online. I want you to click on it, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so that you can start building the business and lifestyle of your dreams. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.